Chevra, as it comes down to Sikkis, is one stop you must make before Sikkis, which is the ice cream house. Jeder device that came out with this beautiful new product. Welcome your guest. Welcome the Spiesen to the Sikke. Chevra, I gotta show you this new product that came out with. Yitzchak allein, der Rebbe allein, Yitzchak, wie mir geht, Yitzchak? Du bist du bist in Lakewood, wie bist du? Alle Museen.
Wherever you need me. Wherever you need me, I'll be there for you.
So, was mit der neue Product, Yitzchak?
Kim, we have a full line of beautiful Yom Tov items. You have it, the Eplich, the Kovatzikis.
Oh, wow,
we have beautiful
the Shuna, meinst du?
The Shuna, auch Kovatzikis.
Also, the Sikkis auch?
Yeah.
I love it, Kevin. Look at the Eplich.
I'll do, for this year, brand new, beautiful platters. Gorgeous platters, cup platters, miniature platters.
This is the miniature that we're talking about. This is
we
the
have
product.
the Spiesen 7-packs.
Beautiful.
Here you have the beautiful Spiesen cakes. You have it in 8-inch, 10-inch, whatever size you would need.
Wow.
You have this year special, you know, it seems to be a big thing, Dubai cups.
Dubai cups, Kevin. The nice Dubai chocolate and cups.
There we go.
Wow. Die Haus ist offen, ich will sehen.
Sure, please. Have a look over here. Here, look, this beautiful, some of the beautiful selections we have. We have here the 6x8, 3-flavored cake. We have here sorbet and ice cream. We have it beautiful for a gift. If someone wants to give a gift, a beautiful box. Or even if it's not a gift, you know, it's beautiful for Yom Tov. We have beautiful platters.
This is the Dubai chocolate?
This is the Dubai chocolate for this year. Brand new, beautiful, delicious.
Wow, look at this. This has a marshmallow s'mores. The s'mores.
And I just want to show you, besides gifting for your own table desserts, how simple and how nice, you know, you just pick up ice cream and all you got to do is put a fruit, a sauce, whatever you desire.
It's plated beautiful.
Put it straight on the plate.
So Kevin, it's just simple. After a whole Yom Tov cooking, nobody has patience to make a dessert. Also a beautiful dessert. For jeder Spiesen, also a separate.
Also, if somebody wants to, they see they want just one name. They want Avruam, let's say 10 pieces. You can order just 10 pieces of Avruam.
Really?
Any name you want. You can order from the same name as many pieces as you want.
Most families have it as a kid who has a certain Spiesen. So you're saying you want to get that kid.
Just Avruam. You can order in before. We'll make sure to have however many Avruam you want. The same thing for the cake. Really? It's customized. If you see here the chocolate Avruam, we take any cake
and you can put on top the chocolate
choose any name you want.
That's beautiful. Beautiful
Thank
idea.
you very much.
Yitzchak, this I love this idea. Ich habe a cover of Rumi Sherman. Maybe I'll buy for him. That's a nice thing. You have a friend with your Spiesen. You buy him a nice cake with the Spiesen number on top. This is beautiful. Have a covered Yom Tov. After all the yiddish, you need a good dessert. Simple. You buy it in Klein's ice cream. You plate it. Comes out beautiful. You go for somebody's house for a Seder. It's the best present you can bring.
Yeah. For yourself or for a gift. And don't forget, you can also order online.
So let me hear the number to order. Let's say somebody wants to order a bunch of Avrooms. What's the phone number?
So 718-972-0222. And also on our website, theicecreamhouse.com.
Theicecreamhouse.com. Chevre, the Spiesen cake, the Dubai chocolates, the beautiful big round cake, and comes in all sizes, the miniatures. This is the one that sits all. Man, the guy with the orange checking a Perlowitz card in the truck. How old is this truck?
You're not going to be able to get in that truck.
It's locked?
This truck is pretty old. It's locked.
This truck is locked up. So we're going to do like on top from the truck door, right on top. Nobody can find it because you're not allowed to climb in the truck. So kind of can come in but you have to stand on the thing. The Perlowitz cars on top. Go get it. In Chevre, als maar licht in Yom Tov. Stop by. Go online.